Can you put that in your hamper? Carson, put your shirt in the hamper. Are you stuck? Can you put your shirt in the hamper? Yay! Here, put this in. Put that in the hamper. Good job helping Mommy with laundry. Can you put this in the hamper? All the way in. Yay! Put this in the hamper. Gotta put it all the way in. Good job, buddy. Can you put this in? Uh-oh. Good job, Carson. Yay! Can you wave bye-bye to Mama? Oh, you're going to put more laundry in. Too bad this laundry is clean. Thank you. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Carson. Bye-bye.